He thought this village was completely safe.
Something felt really strange here.
But his wolf never gave up.
Viewers, without wasting any time, first open YouTube and search for the channel Hamoud G. As you can see, this channel has over 3.5 million subscribers with only 185 videos uploaded. Now the question is this channel monetized? Yes, it is 100% monetized. If we talk about its category, it's in gaming, and the target audience is mainly from the United States. The estimated monthly earning is around $600+, which clearly shows how powerful and scalable this content model is. Now let's move to the short section. After opening it, click on the popular videos. You'll notice something shocking: 106 million views, 85 million, 79 million, 35 million, 30 million, even 25 million views. This clearly proves one thing: this type of content is highly viral and trending. If you create shorts like this, not only can you get massive views, but your channel can also be monetized successfully. Now let me show you how to create these viral shorts step by step. As you saw at the beginning of this video, I already demonstrated similar content. Now I'll teach you how to make it yourself. Here's the exciting part. I have already created a master prompt for you. This master prompt includes objective, story rules, character design, image prompts, video prompts maps. You can find this master prompt in the description of my YouTube video. Just click the link and it will open instantly. Now simply copy the prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it, and click generate. Within seconds, it will provide you with complete character details like Steve, Villager, Wolf, and more, along with their assigned themes. In section 1, you'll get 10 highly engaging image prompts, each designed scene by scene. Every scene is unique, dramatic, and crafted in a way that maximizes virality, often based on emotional or village-style storytelling. When it comes to video prompts, it even includes a built-in voiceover, making it perfect for full video production. Now, what I'll do is copy both the image and video prompts, paste them into a document file, and organize them properly using markers, so it becomes super easy to use during creation. At this point, both our image and video prompts are ready. Now comes the fun part. I'll introduce you to a powerful tool that will help you generate both images and videos effortlessly. So viewers, let's take this video to the next level. Alright viewers, now open the website Flow AI. As you already know, this is a powerful AI tool by Google, and the best part is it offers free access to its core features. For video generation, it provides VEO 3.1, and for image creation, you get models like Nano Banana Pro and Nano Banana 2, both available for free. Now let's begin. First, click on New Project. Once you do that, you'll see two main options, image and video. Let's start with image generation. Click on the image option, and then select Nano Banana 2 as your model. Now copy your first prompt and paste it into the input box. Click on Generate. Within a few seconds, your first image will start generating. And there you go. Your first image is ready, with high-quality visuals, strong character design, and a perfectly detailed village environment. This clearly shows how powerful this tool is. Now let's move to the second prompt. Copy it, paste it, and click Generate again. After a short wait, your second image is also ready, with consistent characters and impressive visual quality. Repeat the same process for your third prompt. Paste it, generate it, and within seconds, your third image is ready, looking just as amazing and consistent. Now continue this process. Copy the fourth prompt, generate. Copy the fifth prompt, generate. Each time, you'll notice that the images are highly detailed, visually appealing, and perfectly aligned with your story. You can even generate multiple images at once by pasting more than one prompt together. Click Generate, wait a bit, and both images will be created simultaneously. This makes the workflow faster and more efficient. Finally, paste your last prompt and generate the final image. Now, as you can see, all your images are ready. Each one is unique, trending in style, and built with high-quality output. At this point, your complete story visuals are prepared. Now download all the images one by one, preferably in 2K quality, and save them because the next step is converting them into videos. Now scroll down and switch to the video section. Here, set your preferred resolution and select VEO 3.1 Fast because it only costs around 10 credits per generation. And the best part? This platform gives you 50 plus free credits daily. Now select your first image, the one you want to convert into a video. Go to the prompt section, copy your video prompt, paste it, and click generate. Your first image to video process will begin. After a short wait, your first video is ready. And as you can see, it looks incredibly engaging with smooth visuals and built-in voiceover. Now repeat the same process for the second image. Select image, paste prompt, click generate. Within seconds, your second video will also be ready, again with high-quality visuals and voiceover. Do the same for the third image, and your third video will be generated, maintaining the same level of quality and consistency. Finally, select your last image, apply the prompt, and generate the video. Now, all your videos are ready. This means you now have a complete short video of around 20 to 25 seconds, which you can easily upload as a YouTube short. And as you can see, each clip is highly engaging, trending, and visually appealing. Now download all these videos one by one and arrange them in sequence to complete your final short. So viewers, as you've seen, Flow AI is an excellent tool for both image and video generation. It's fast, efficient, beginner-friendly, and perfect for creating viral short-form content. Now it's your turn to apply this method and start creating your own viral videos. Alright viewers, now it's time to bring everything together. First, open CapCut. Once CapCut is open, import all the videos you just created. After importing, start selecting your clips one by one and drag them onto the timeline. As you can see, I've added all the clips in sequence best. And now I'm reviewing the final look. Everything looks great. The videos are smooth, engaging, and perfectly aligned. Now, here's an important step. You might notice a small watermark or VO logo on the video. To remove it, simply go to the scale option and slightly zoom into the video. And just like that, your video is now clean and watermark free. Perfect. Now let's quickly check the sequence again. Yes, everything looks smooth and professional. Next, click on the export button. Wait for a few seconds, and boom, your final video is ready. As you can see, the result is amazing. High quality visuals, smooth transitions, and a fully engaging short video. Now you can upload this directly to your YouTube channel as a short and start getting views. So viewers, I hope you really liked today's video and learned something valuable. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel because your support truly means a lot. I'll see you in the next video with another powerful idea. Until then, goodbye and keep creating.